Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed some important current affairs news, current affairs question of previous GK class. Now, dear students, in today class we discuss some other important current news, and also in today's class we discuss some famous countries all over the world, its capital, its currency, okay, and its currency. Now, dear students, first of all, we discuss about you know that India is our country, the capital of India is New Delhi, and the currency of our India is what? Rupee. You know that very well. Now, similarly, here we discuss about the countries, its capital, and its currency. Okay. Now we discuss about the country China. Just now in here we write the countries and its capital and its currency. Okay, dear friends. Now you know that India is our country and the capital of India is New Delhi and its our currency is rupee. You know that very well. Okay. Now we discuss the second country all over the world, which is China. Dear friend, China. The capital of China is what? You know that Beijing. The capital of China is what? Beijing, and the currency of China is what? Yuan. Just say yuan is the currency of China. So please learn everyone. Yuan. Yuan is the currency of China, which is very important question of your examination. And there's a student. The name of the parliament of the China is what? Name of the parliament of the China is People Congress. People Congress is the name of the parliament of China. Like the name of the parliament in our India is what? Parliament, that is Sansad. Similarly, the name of the parliament in China, the name of the parliament of China is what? People Congress. So please, that is very, this is the one of the most important question. Okay. Now dear student, we discuss about the Sri Lanka. Dear student, the new capital of Sri Lanka is what? The Sri Jayawardhane Kotte. Sri Jayawardhane Kotte, Sri Lanka. The capital of Sri Lanka is what, dear student? Sri Jayawardhane Kotte. Sri Jayawardhane Kotte. Sri Jayawardhane Kotte is what? The capital of Sri Lanka, and the currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankai rupiah. Okay, Sri Lankai means rupiah. You can say that rupiah, Sri Lankai rupiah. Okay. Now the second one is Sri Lanka. The capital of Sri Lanka is what? Sri Jayawardhane Kotte is the capital of Sri Lanka, and its currency is what? Sri Lankai rupiah. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the Bangladesh. You know that what is the capital of Bangladesh? That is Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, and the currency of Bangladesh is what? Taka. You know that very well. Bangladesh, the capital of Bangladesh is what? Dhaka, and the currency of Bangladesh is what? Taka. So this is also very important question of GK. Okay, it's very important current news, and just current or GK, you know that. And Sri Lanka, this is very important. In some previous year, the Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka, but at present time, the capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhane Kotte is the new capital of Sri Lanka, and its currency is what? Rupiah. Now we are going to discuss about the Saudi Arab. Saudi Arabia. The capital of Saudi Arabia is what? Arabia is what? Riyadh, and the currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. The currency of, what is the name of the currency of Saudi Arabia? That is Riyal. Okay. Saudi Arab. Dear student, the capital of Saudi Arabia is what? Riyadh. What? Riyadh. And the capital, the currency of Saudi Arabia is what? Riyal. It's what? Riyal. This is very important question of your syllabus, of your JK. Okay, so Riyal is the name of the currency of Saudi Arabia. This is very important question. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the country Afghanistan. Dear friend, you know that the capital of Afghanistan is what? Kabul, and its currency is what? Shura. Shura is the name of the currency of Afghanistan. So please learn. This is very important question. Shura is the, let's see, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. The capital of Afghanistan is what? Kabul. Kabul is the capital of what? Afghanistan, and the currency of Afghanistan is what? Shura. Shura is the name of the currency of what? Afghanistan. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the country America. You know that America is a very powerful country all over the world, and capital of America, you know that very well, Washington DC, and the currency of America is dollar. So this is very familiar question, you know always. Now we are going to some other important countries all over the world. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Different. The new capital of Kazakhstan is what? Nur Sultan. Nur Sultan is the new capital of Kazakhstan. This is very important current question. Nur Sultan. Nur Sultan. Nur Sultan is the recently new capital of Kazakhstan, and the currency of Kazakhstan is what? Tenge. Tenge. Tenge is the name of the currency of Kazakhstan. So this is very important current affairs question. Kazakhstan, the new capital of Kazakhstan is what? Nur Sultan. Nur Sultan is the new capital of Kazakhstan, and its currency is what? Tenge. Tenge is the new currency of Kazakhstan. Okay, no, currency of Kazakhstan. Now we discuss about the Tajikistan. Tajikistan. This is very famous country all over the world. Tajikistan. Dear friend, the capital of Tajikistan is what? Dushanbe. Dushanbe. Okay. Dushanbe. Dear friend, Dushanbe is the capital of Tajikistan, and its currency is Somoni. Somoni. This is very important question. So Somoni is the name of the currency of what? Currency of Tajikistan, and the Dushanbe is the capital of Tajikistan. Okay, and Somoni is the currency of Kazakhstan, and Nur Sultan in Tenge. Tenge is the currency of Kazakhstan, and Somoni is the currency of Tajikistan. Okay, now we discuss about the Britain. Yes, you know that what is the capital of Britain? You know that very well, London. And what is the currency of Britain? This is very important question. If I ask you what is the currency of Britain, then dear student, you know that pound sterling. Pound sterling is the currency of Britain. This is very important question. Write everyone. Pound sterling. Pound sterling is the currency of Britain. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the France and Germany. Dear friend, both France and Germany is a European countries, and the currency of both countries, France and Germany, is euro. The currency of both countries, France and Germany, is what? Euro. And you know that the Paris is the capital of France, and Berlin is the capital of Germany. This is very important question, and the currency of both countries is what? Euro. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the country Australia. Dear friend, Australia is very famous country all over the world, and you know that the capital of Australia is what? Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia, and the dollar is the currency of America. Australia, okay, dollar, same as America. In America, you know that. The currency of America is also dollar, and the currency of Australia is also dollar. Now, Brazil. Dear friend, the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. What is the capital of Brazil? Dear friend, the capital of Brazil is what? Brasilia. What is Brasilia? And dear friend, in Brazil, the currency of Brazil is real. Is what? Real. Now we are going to discuss about the Canada. Dear friend, the capital of Canada is what? Ottawa. The capital of Canada is what? Ottawa, and the currency of Canada is Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar means the currency of Canada is dollar. The currency of Australia is dollar. Australia dollar, and the currency of USA means America is what? Canada. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the country Taiwan. Dear friend, the capital of Taiwan is Taipei. The capital of Taiwan is what? Taipei. Okay, and the currency of Taiwan is what? Taiwan dollar. New Taiwan dollar is the currency of Taiwan. Okay, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about the Iran and Iraq. Iran. First of all, we discuss about the Iran, which is very important, very famous country. Iran. Dear students, the capital of Iran is Tehran. First of all, we discuss about the capital of Iran, and the capital of Iran is what? Tehran. Okay, the capital of Iran is what, dear student? Tehran, and the currency of Iran. The currency of Iran is what? Toman. 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 The currency of Iran is what? Toman. This is very important question. Okay, means Iran, the capital of Iran is what? Tehran, and the currency of Iran is what? Toman. Now we are going to discuss about Iraq. The Iraq. Yes, sir. The capital of Iraq is what? Baghdad. Is what, yes, sir? Baghdad. Okay. The capital of Iraq is what? Baghdad, and the currency of Iran, the currency of Iraq is what? Dinar. The currency of Iraq is what? Dinar. Dinar. This is very important question, dear student, of your of that topic. Okay. Now we discuss one more time. Guess what? Iran and Iraq, both are these are very famous countries and very important for you and your upcoming examination. Kazakhstan. The new capital of Kazakhstan is what? The new capital of Kazakhstan is what? Nur Sultan, and the currency of Kazakhstan is what? Tenge. Tenge is the currency of Kazakhstan. Okay. Similarly, the Tajikistan, the capital of Tajikistan is what? Dushanbe, and the currency of Tajikistan is what? The currency of Tajikistan is what? Somoni. What? Somoni. Okay. Now we discuss about the Iran. Dear student, Iran, the capital of Iran is what? Tehran. Just I discuss about that, and its currency is what? Toman. Toman is the currency of Iran. Now we discuss about the Iraq. The Baghdad is the capital of Iraq, and its currency is what? Dinar. Dinar is the currency of Iraq, and dinar and rial is the currency of Saudi Arabia. Okay. So these are very important and confusing questions. So please learn very carefully. Toman is the currency of Iran. Dinar is the currency of Iraq. Rial is the currency of Saudi Arabia. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the South Korea. Dear friend, South Korea is also very famous country, dear friends. South Korea. Dear friend, the capital of South Korea is what? Seoul. Seoul is the capital of South Korea, and the currency of South Korea is won. What? Won. Won is the currency of South Korea, and Seoul is the capital of South Korea. So this is very important question. Means Seoul is the capital of South Korea, and won is the currency of South Korea. Now we are going to discuss about the Argentina. Dear student, Argentina is also very famous country all over the world. Argentina. The capital of Argentina is what? Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires, and the currency of Argentina is what? Peso. Okay. The currency of Argentina is what? Peso. This is very important question. Now we are going to discuss about Belgium. You know that the capital of Belgium is what? Brussels, and the currency of Belgium is what? Euro. Now Bulgaria. This is very important question. Dear students, Sofia. The capital of Bulgaria is what? Sofia, and the currency of Bulgaria is lev. Sofia. Sofia is the capital of Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Dear students, the Sofia. Sofia is the country of Sofia is the capital of Bulgaria, and Lev. Lev is the currency of Bulgaria. Okay, dear students. So these are the very important question of your syllabus. This is Bulgaria, means Sofia is the country of Bulgaria, and Lev. Lev is what? Lev is the currency of Bulgaria. Now we are going to discuss about the Chile. What is the capital of Chile? Let's see. Now, what is the capital of Chile, dear friend? The capital of Chile is what? Santiago. Capital of Chile is what, dear friend? Santiago. Yes. Santiago is the capital of Chile, and the currency of Chile is what? Peso. This is very important question. Santiago is the capital of Chile, and the currency of Chile is what? Peso. Okay. Now we are discuss about the Denmark. Dear friend, Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark, and the currency of Denmark is what? Krone. Krone is the currency of Denmark, which is very important question. Okay. Now Now we are discuss about the country Fiji, which is very important country. Fiji. Dear student, Fiji. The capital of Fiji is what? Suva. Okay, Suva. Suva is the capital of Fiji, and the currency of Fiji is what? Dollar. Okay, therefore in this way, Fiji is the currency. Suva is the capital of Fiji, and the currency of Fiji is what? Suva. Currency of Fiji is what? Suva. So this is also very important question of your syllabus. Okay. Now Chile is Santiago is the capital of Chile, and dollar its currency. The name of the dollar of its currency. Fiji. Suva is the capital of Fiji, and the dollar is the currency of Fiji. Now we are going to discuss about the Israel. 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 This one, Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Okay, Jerusalem is the capital of Israel, and the currency of Israel is what? New shekel. New shekel. New shekel. Okay. Thus, in this way, Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Jerusalem is the capital of Israel, and new shekel, and the new shekel is the currency of Israel. So this is very important question. Okay, peso is the currency of what? In which country? Chile. Okay, peso is the currency of what? Chile, and dollar. So both are learned. Capital and currency both are important for you. So please learn both capital as well as its currency. Okay. Now Chile, peso is the currency of Chile. Now we are going to discuss about the Russia. Now Russia. So first of all, we discuss about what is the capital of Russia. Dear student, you know that very well. Moscow. Moscow is the capital of Russia, and what is the currency of Russia? This is ruble. Ruble is the currency of Russia. Okay, ruble. Capital of Russia is what? Moscow. You know that very well. Moscow and ruble. Ruble is the currency of Russia. Okay, so this is very important question. The currency of Russia is ruble, and its capital is what? Moscow. Now we are discussing about the Guyana. Guyana is also very okay. Guyana is the very famous country all over the world, and the country of Guyana is what? The country of Guyana is a Malabo. Okay, Malabo is the country of what? Sorry, capital of Guyana. Malabo is the capital of Guyana, and the name of the currency of Guyana is franc. What? Franc. Okay, so this is very important question. Now let's see once more time. Santiago is the capital of Chile, and the currency of Chile is what? Peso. Now second one is what? Fiji. The capital of Fiji is Suva, and the currency of Fiji is what? Dollar. Now next one is the Israel. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the capital of Israel, and the currency of Israel is what? New shekel. Next one what is Russia. Dear student, the capital of Russia is what? Moscow, and the currency of Russia is what? Ruble. Okay. Now next one is what? Guyana. Yeah, dear student, Malabo is the capital of Guyana. Malabo is the capital of Guyana, and its currency is what? Franc. So franc is the name of the currency of Guyana. Now, dear student, we discuss about the Philippines. Dear student, Philippines, the capital of Philippines is what? Manila, and the currency of Philippines is peso. Same as what? Chile. Okay, same as what? Chile. So, dear student, now Tunisia. Dear student, Tunis is the capital of Tunisia. Tunis is the capital of Tunisia, and the dinar is the currency of Tunisia. Dinar is the currency of Tunisia. So these are very important questions. Okay, these are very important questions. Now we are discussing about some other countries and its capital and its currency. Let's see. Now we discuss about the Qatar. The country Qatar. Qatar is a very famous country all over the world. Dear friend, the capital of Qatar is what? Doha. Doha is the capital of Qatar, and the currency of Qatar is what? Riyal. Same as the Saudi Arabia. Riyal is the currency of Qatar. Okay, dear friends. Now we are going to discuss about the country Italy. Now we discuss about the country Italy. What is the capital of Italy? You know that very well. Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. Okay, Rome is the capital of Italy, and the currency of Italy is what? Lira. What is the currency of Italy is what, dear student? Lira. Lira is the currency of Italy. Now we discuss some other country. Now we discuss about the New Zealand. Dear friend, the Wellington is the, what is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington is the country capital of New Zealand, and the currency of New Zealand is what? Dollar is the currency of New Zealand. Okay, dear student. Now same as Cyprus. We discuss about the Cyprus. Let's see. Different. The capital of Cyprus is what? The capital Nicosia. Different. Nicosia is the country, is the capital of Cyprus, and the currency of Cyprus is what? Pound. Okay, so let's see. Thus in this way we discuss here Qatar. The Doha is the capital of Qatar. Riyal is its currency. Rome and Lira is the capital and currency of Italy, and the New Zealand, Wellington, and dollar is the capital. Cyprus, the capital of Cyprus is what? Nicosia, and the currency of the Cyprus is what? Pound. Thus, dear student, in today's class we discuss some important GK questions. Now, first of all, you revise and learn all the questions which we discuss in that class. Now, in next class, we take and revise some other important GK questions. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.